Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Dell Mobile Connect 3.3 background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn on Dell Mobile Connect 3.3 background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First, click on Start, type here, Setting, open Settings, click on Privacy, scroll down, click on Background app, and here option Dell Mobile Connect 3.3. So if you want to enable, so select on to this. Get this. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on Dell Mobile Connect 3.3 background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And guys, please comment this video turn on Dell Mobile Connect 3.3 background apps in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Work for or not. Thank you for watching.